Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn about the purchase type in Mark ERP. Basically, what is purchase type? Like you have received a purchase bill from somewhere and there is 12% tax on it. And the bill you have in which separate tax on each items are feeded. Like on some it's 10% to 15% tax are feeded, or on some items tax is different according to the bill which you have received. Means different taxes are feeded. There can exist many such reasons. So in that case, what we will do? We will create one new purchase type. For that, you can match your bill with that purchase bill from whom you have received. With the help of it, there will be no need to change tax percentage on each item. You can change tax percentage on the whole bill altogether, and you can save yours and your party's name. This option works bill-wise and is a very time-saving option. So let's see its process in Mark software. For this, we will go to Master's menu, then to Ledger Master, and then enter on New Purchase. So this purchase type window will appear in front of you, where the first field is sales type, and as you know, purchase is of two types, that is local and central purchase. So according to you, you will select that for whom you are creating the purchase, for local party or central party. So we will take local and then press enter. Then next field is SGST. Here you will mention that tax percentage which you want to charge, like we will give 12%, and press enter key. After mentioning the tax percentage, software will pick GST percentage automatically. Then is shortcut name. This is also picked by the software automatically, and if you want to change it, you can. And as if you will press enter after the shortcut name field, an under purchase group window will appear in front of you, from where you will select purchase group. So now we are creating purchase type for local. So we will take here purchase local. And as you can see, purchase ledger name will be picked automatically by the software. And as you will press enter after the purchase ledger name, then a window of under tax group will be open in front of you, where you have to specify that the purchase type you are creating comes under which tax group. And SGST ledger software is picked automatically. Then as you will press enter, an under tax window will appear again in front of you. From here you will select tax group for same GST under, and GST ledger will be created automatically. You don't need to change anything in it. Just keep pressing enter for all these four fields. Then after this is ST form, means there are your some selected forms which can be placed for the goods which are going outside, and these forms are government required. So you can select that from here and can create it as well with F2 function key. And in case of the local, leave it blank. As now we are creating local sale type, so we will leave it blank. Then enter on accept. So in this way you can create purchase type. And if you want that software should ask you type at the time of purchase entry, that the purchase you are doing is for local party or central, and how much tax percentage is charged on it. For that you will type ask sale type from the control room and set this option as A, means you want that whether party is local or central. Software should ask you its type. Then do yes to the save changes. Then now we will create one purchase bill. Now you can see after selecting the ledger, cursor will wait on type field. As you will press space key from here, a window of purchase type will be open in front of you. And from here select that tax percentage which you want to change. So the tax percentage we have mentioned while creating purchase type. It is shown here. So we will take this because for now we are creating local sale. Now we will select an item. Suppose paracetamol tablet on which tax is 18%. Now press enter. So an alert window of product percentage not matched will be displayed. Press OK. So here you can see 18% tax of an item is converted into 24%, 12% for SGST and 12% for GST. In this way, you can change tax percentage altogether in your bill. There is no need to change tax percent on each item manually. So friends, we have seen in this tutorial that how we can create purchase type in Marg ERP. Thanks for watching.